Okay. Now, between AB, point 1, between AB on the ellipse, point 1, generator AO, point 2, generator JO is point 3, generator JO is point 3. Please note it down carefully. Generator KO is point 4. Generator JO is point 5. Generator IO is point 6. Generator HO is point 7. Generator GO is point 8. Generator FO is point 9. And on the ellipse between FE is 10. Okay, now after doing this one, this we have given a section. The same thing we have to project on this. The same thing you have to
Ma'am,
project on
point
this.
3 in IO or LO or JO, ma'am.
Point 3 after 2.3 is JO. ఇదేంటి జే ఇదేంటిది ఎల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎల్ఓ నాట్ జే
Okay.
సారీ ఎల్ఓ ఎల్ఓ
Okay, ma'am.
point is elbow. Okay, now please be careful. Now these points we have to project here. These points we have to project here. So little bit once you are able to understand this figure, you can do any figure, any sections you can do. So we have to mark one. So how to mark one here? So what you have to do is only the circumference. We have to project this point 1 on the top view. Here, the point 1 is between GF. From this point, we have to project here. Okay. Now we have to measure this one. Where is this point? We have to provide here. Or else you can do it directly also. For a few cases, we'll face this type of problem. But few cases you can provide directly here. So where is point 1? Where is point 1? Point 1 is between AB. Now draw the line to the front view between AB, ortho on. So where is between AB? So here AB, we have to cut it here. So this is point 1. So here you won't get exactly. Okay. This is point 1. Okay. Now immediately write down here point 1. I will write it later. I will show the point. Please keep a point there. Keep a point there. And where is point 2? Point 2 is on what generator? Anyone? AO. Point 2 is on AO. So 2, select from here. AO. Where is AO now? Generator AO. AO. Here we have to cut. Is it clear now? Then, where is 3? On which generator? 3. Not this one. This is 3. On which generator? Point 3 is LO. Point 3 is on LO. So draw the line from here. This point. LO. Where is L? This is this point, right? Okay. This point is 3. And where is 4? No one is telling.
KO, ma'am. KO.
KO. So please look KO, the line. Please, this last is the out of these 3. This line is the KO. Go to that line, and there are 3 points here. So please zoom it, and which one is very near to that one, that line you select it. See here. This is one more. I think this is not correct. Here somewhere. See here. This is correct. Okay. This is correct. So from here you have to draw the line. So between what? 4 is between KO, right?
KO, ma'am.
Yes. So this is KO. Okay. Now 5. Line 5 is where? Line 5 is J. So J is this line is J. The second line is J. Not this. You forget about this tangent now. Second line is J. So go to J. Second line means very close to the previous one. This was very close. Okay, don't select this one, and just move. So this one you have to take. Where is this point? J0. See here. J0. I'm taking point here. Now here you try to understand between J and K there is a tangent here. Between J and K there is a tangent here, right? So when we draw the curve here, J and K, this is when we draw the SP line, here the curve will come like this. Here the curve will come like this. So this point, when compared uh, to this curve, the apex will be somewhere else. That apex point is the tangent here, this point. That when we are rotating this one, exactly that end means when we rotate this one, when we draw the line like curve, when we get a curve like this, the tangent of that line is this projector. It exactly coinciding with the point on the tangent here. So here, that's why I'm not showing the point K, tangent point. I have to give some tangent point somewhere, something like another letter. We'll see that one. I'll show you. Now, till where we were? We completed uh, J, right? Now, I, we have to go. J means J, for J, which is the point? J is the 5. Yes, 5 we completed. Now 6. Point 6 is on I. Point 6
IO.
is on, point 6 is on IO. Point 6 is on IO. Okay. 7.7 is on JH. Point 7 is on JH. Sorry, HO. Where is HO? Here. Okay. Now, point 9 is on where? FO. Point 9 is FO. So here also we'll get one more curve like this. Okay. Point 9 is on. Now 10 is cutting base between FE. So automatically we'll get FE. So here you have to cut like this. Now shall I keep a point here? I will go again in the order. Copy. I want to take, I want to copy this one. So where is VA? It is cutting from base, right? This one is 1. So please, here I want, yes, 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going correct way or not? Okay. Some 2 points are coinciding somewhere. What is this point? Okay, we'll see between EF is also 1 point is that. Then what about here? Okay. This is F. One point is missing, right? Here one point is there, right? ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఉన్నట్టుంది ఇక్కడ కాదు this one. Okay, we'll first write the numbers here. Text, single line. I will write here one, right? I think you can understand. This is 1. Now, where is 2?
Evo,
Where is
ma'am.
AO? So this is AO. So this is 2. Please tell me where is 3? Where is 3?
Bivo.
Aha, BO kadu. 3 is, we are going, no, BO, 3 is on. Have you written?
Elvo, ma'am. Elvo.
Elvo, that's what. Where is Elvo now? This is this point, right? Let me check here. Elvo. Yes, this one. This one is 3. So this one is Elvo. This one is 3. Okay. And 4 is, this one is Elvo, KO. 4 is on KO. So here, both are 4 and 5 is coinciding. KO, where is K? This is 4. Okay, this is 4. And 5 is, we have to check it again and again. 5 is,
Jevo, ma'am. 5 is Jevo.
yes, 5 is JO. When I'm doing here, like in AutoCAD, for everything, for once I'm going, keeping up points, and again I'm numbering that one. But manually you can do both at a time without any confusion. Okay. 5 is JO. Yes, 5 is JO. Then 6 is IO. This is I. So this point is 6. So I want to write 6 here. Anyway, the point is highlighted. This is 6. IO. Now where is 7? 7 is HO. 7 is on HO. This is HO. This is 7. 7 is on HO. Then 8 is
GO,
on
ma'am.
GO. Yes, 8 is on GO. So it is cutting here. Here we have not kept a point here, this point, right? We will keep a point here. 8. This we are missing. 9 is on F4. This point is 9. This point is 9. And 10 is between EO, EF, EF. This is 10. Now it's clear. Enter. Now here what I do here, I have not kept dot here. Copy. Enter. Copy. Now just draw the curve by taking SP line command. SP line. This command. So we'll start from 1. I want to start from 1. 1, 2, can you able to see the line now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then here it is like a parabola. Okay. Now here we cannot close it here. If we take as a close here another curve, it will show like this. But this line should be a straight line because the base is not a curve line. Okay. The base is not a curve line. But this one is curved surface. This one is curved surface. So we have taken SP line. But if I take as a close C, then this is not correct. The base is not a curved base. Okay. So I will end up till here. Enter. Enter. So one more line should be we have to draw because we have to highlight that line base also. Okay. Enter. Now I can highlight this one. See, why? Because here, what is the question? This part is removed. The part which is apex is there. This part is removed. Okay. So now what I do is, I will draw again SP line here from here to here. Then it will be highlighted, and also tangent I will draw. Here about the tangent I want to explain about the tangent. Now see here this point. See this point. Please all of you. Now from point 4 to 5, 5 point is it is here. If you draw the tangent here to this curve, if you draw the tangent, exactly it will be vertical line. Exactly it is coinciding with this tangent line here. This point which already we have given the tangent, this line. This is the tangent we have given. This line will be coinciding. Okay. So please, I don't want to draw this one. If you want, you can write it there. Or shall I draw and only one line will get? Tangent, TAN. I will give some name for the tangent point. Okay. Exactly, it will go coinciding with this center point. See here, this point is the center of, there are the 3 points here. So I will give exactly here and I will move back again. I will move back again here. Now see, we got the tangent point. So automatically the tangent line is selected. Here, see now. Here, this is the tangent point. So this point, if I write, you will get confused. Even if you can't write in the small place, you don't have space to write. And even though if you draw this line also, it is not clear, visible in your drawings, manual drawings. So here I will name it as something PQRS Should I specify it as T? Okay. Here I will specify as T, small t, so that we should know the tangent. Okay. So here also I will specify as T only. This point here we are not, T is between 5 and 4. Tangent. Don't forget. Don't bother about this one also. No one will be asking and no one knows about this, what do you call, this explanation. Okay. So don't bother about that one. Why I taught this one is, okay, this is something else is there here at this point about this understanding, and it's also given in the question like the tangent it is specified, so it is very important. I thought that it is very important to teach. Okay, now we got. So now I will highlight this. I will remove. The removed portion should be light and remaining portion should be dark here. So I will do that later on. Then this, we have to draw the true shape. Here it is draw the sectional front view. This is a sectional front view. This is a sectional front view. This is a sectional front. Okay, I will draw this one. I will highlight this line. I will select this line. This also. Uh, Not this one. This one. Yes, that much is enough. Now we'll check here. So point, this portion is not same. EDO is not same. EDCB is not same. EDCB means it is behind that one. And FG here, F is there, FG is there. So we have to make this line also thick line. We have to make this line also thick line. And this one also thick line till here, not whole. So for that one, we have to draw. This will be, I will keep it in this I will select. I'll draw the line. So this line is there till here, and this will be there till here. So this line is not there now. This portion is not there. Now we will check this portion. So this is generator A. So let's see generator A is there or not. Generator, this is A. So up till here only it is there. Up till here only it is cutting somewhere. Till here only it is there. It is not there. So no need to show this one. No need to show this thick line. So generator A from here to here is there. So here, what about this one? This portion? You'll see this portion. Yes, this portion is not there. This is A, right? So this portion is there. So from here to here, we have to make a thick line. We have to make a thick line. From A to 2. Okay, from A to 2. So we have to draw the line here with a thickness. That's it. And this portion also is there. AB. AB is there. AB. A. Okay, this portion is not there, so no need. Behind that, A, another sorry, AL is there. So that one we have to make it a dark. This is, we have to make it dark. So this is the remaining portion. Okay. Now we got same thing we had to highlight here also. So SP line, SP line. I will draw from A. I want to make a thick line, the remaining portion. Where class is up to? Be careful. Your till here only it is there. See now the from here to here it is highlighted. This portion is not. This portion is not there. So I have to be careful. Now I have to end here only. Enter. Overs. Okay. Now I want to highlight this tangent line. I want to highlight this tangent line. Not whole line, sorry. So undo. I want to draw this tangent only up to the point T from here. Intersection will show the intersection. See, this is the tangent point, intersection. Okay. Only I have to draw up to the point T. So you go on this line. So this is not correct. This one is the correct point. Okay. Can you able to see? This is the tangent line. Okay. Right. Now, what else? And anyway, this section line is there. So this part is removed portion. This part is removed portion. So why it is removed? The observer is here. To draw the true shape of the section, after cutting this cone, some true shape will be seen. To see the true shape, the observer will be here. The object between the observer and the section plane. This is a section plane. Object. This is the object. The object between the observer between the section plane is assumed to be removed. So these are the light lines. These are the left thick lines. We should not draw the thick lines because these are the generators. Generator, we should not draw the thick lines. So see here. Here in the case of cylinder, this is the smooth surfaces. This one you should not draw the thick lines. The cylinder, you have to remove this one. This one, this should not draw the thick lines. Okay, these are the smooth surfaces. So lines should be thick. Whereas for prisms, these are the foldings. I mean, these are the edges. Okay, that's why we had to draw the thick lines. We have to draw the thick lines. For smooth surfaces, should not draw the thick lines. Smooth surfaces. So here also, in the cone also, this is the smooth surface. So we should not show the thick lines, only light lines. Is it clear, all of you? Now this one also, I will make it dark. This one also will make it dark. Not this one. This one I have to select. This one base, and this circle. Okay. Now That's it. Oh, okay. Now we have to draw the true shape. For true shape, here we can draw this portion. We can draw. Now, those who are not having a place to draw this portion, please attach one small drawing paper at this portion if it is not possible for you. Okay, small paper of a whole width of the paper. Even if you are drawn in horizontal way, you can attach a small paper, or in this way also in vertical way, you can attach small paper. So for this problem, you better to do in the vertical position only. Keep your A4 size in the vertical, then it is possible to draw this portion. Okay. So don't say that it is after doing so many problems, after doing so many problems, you will get idea how to draw, whether it is fixed in that paper or not. For one or two problems, you won't get idea. Okay. So section plane, section true shape we have to draw. For true shape, we have to draw another reference line here, XY line. Okay. So parallel to this line. So for this, what we have to do is we'll copy this line here, perpendicular to this one. We'll copy one line perpendicular to, I mean parallel to this one. Okay. So we will select this one, copy. We'll select this, and later on we can change the line type also. Don't bother. Enter. Then I will take this as a base point. Like this, we can copy. See here. So please auto on. However, no need auto on. Like this, we can copy. We have to extend little bit. This length of the line is not sufficient for us. This line is, of course, wherever you move, it will be parallel only. Okay. So this length of the line is not sufficient for us. Okay, we'll try. So I'm thinking that this is perpendicular. Okay. Yes. Now I'll change the line type. I'll change the line type. Enter. Now this one I will select. This one, and I want to select a continuous, and I want to remove the thickness also. I want to remove thickness. I want to now here. Now I got. I changed everything. Okay, enter. I'm thinking that it is sufficient for me, so no need to extend here. Now we have to draw the parallel lines. This is again little bit complicated problem. So I will move this a little bit close to this figure. Okay, very far. Okay. I shall move this one. Okay. Now draw the parallel lines, the perpendicular lines from all the points, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Perpendicular, PER, PER, enter. So first I will draw the one single line. I better to draw the from point A only, because I want to go in order. This is point A, right? Not point 1. Perpendicular means it won't take for this one. Okay, let me do this one. Perpendicular to this line, section line, right? Now I want to take from point A. I move like this. First we'll draw the one line, not exactly there. Later on we'll deselect this one. I want to draw one line like this. Then I will move this line first. Move, select this point. I'll zoom it and I'll take this point. And where is 1 now? This point is 1. So exactly I'll move at this point 1. Now remaining lines, how to draw? Who will tell? We have to draw all the lines perpendicular. How to draw?
Copy, ma'am.
Yes,
Same
copy.
distance, ma'am. Copy.
Yes, copy. So we have to copy and we'll take the displacement point is where? The here or here? Displacement point here. Where we will take?
Top, ma'am. Top.
At 1, yes.
We have to select now.
So, yes, we have to take displacement point so that we can able to easily draw here at 1. Now where is point 2? This is point 2. This is, are we drawing correct way? Yes. This is point 2. Point 3. Point 3, this one or this one? This one is point 3. This one is point 4. And this one is point 5. This one is point 6. This one is point 7. This one is point 8. Both are coinciding. Okay, no problem. If you draw again also no problem. This one is point 9. And this one is point 10. Okay. We have drawn all the points. You are coinciding now. Now here we should be very careful. Here, where is point 1? We have to measure point A from the reference axis to the point A. Now measure this one. The section we have to measure from this reference axis to where is A now? Not A. Where is 1? Yes. From here to the reference line. From here to the reference line. Please note down. From reference line, from point A to reference line, you have to measure. Is this line? Yes. So how much is this? The second line. 52.8. So 52.8 means we have to take 52.8 here. Arc, start, center, end. From where A is there? From this is point A. This is A. Okay. 52.8. So not from here. From XY we had to draw. From XY we had to draw. So this on this line. $52.8. So 52.8. Enter. Sorry, see here, I'm taking a clockwise direction, so it shows here. So I have to show in the anti-clockwise. arc, start center A. Start is on this line. So I want to keep here. Fifty-two point eight. 52.8. Why it is showing like this?
Ma'am, we have to take center start end, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, right. You are right. Center, start, end. This is the point, right? Yeah. Yes, center, start, 52.8. It's showing there, so we little bit will zoom. 52.8. Enter. Okay. Now this is A. This is 1. Where is 2? We have to measure from reference line to 2. This 2 we have to measure from this line to this one. Not this one. Thirty-six. So what point is that? 2. Here we have to take 36. And where is 3? From here to here, 19.4. 19.4. Now 3 is here. Not this one, 3. This one is 3. 19.4. This line is 3. Here we have to start. Nineteen point four. Okay. This one is 3. This point is 3. Not this one. Now 4 is the middle line. Eleven point nine. 11.9. Second line. Is it correct we are doing? Point, this is the point 3. Point 2. Sorry, point 3. This is the point. 11.9 is this one. 4 is on which point? Please tell me on which line?
KO, ma'am.
Not LO, it's KO, I think. Point 4.
Yes, ma'am. KO, ma'am.
KO. So 11.9 we measured. So KO, this is this line. KO line, where is KO line? The middle line. Middle line. Yes, this is the KO. చూద్దాంలే. Center 11.9. Enter. కరెక్టే చేశాను కదా. Then what is showing here? Okay. $11.9. Okay. Now this is 4. We got 4 points. Now where is 5 now? 5 is on J. This one, we have to measure this. J kada idigo, J line. How much? 6.8. So where is it 5? 5. Where is 5 line? Last one. $6.9. Okay. I think why it should get like this, not like this. Why I'm looking like this? Okay, correct. Okay. Now 6. Where is 6? Six on I. IO. Is it IO? 6 is on IO? Yes, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
3.4. This one is a 6. So this line we have to draw. 3.4.
Ma'am, not that line, ma'am.
6 ಇದೆ
You
కదా?
said
Say 6.
okay, ma'am.
This one, this, no, this third line is 6. Three point four. 3.4. Clockwise. 3.4. Okay. Somewhere we are doing wrong. The curve we won't get like this. Let's see how why it is getting. It should be like a parabolical shape. Okay, we'll try. Now 7. Seven. It's really close. This is 7, right? 1. On line 1. This is 7, right? So 1. Can you able to see the line here? Small curve cutting that line. Now where is 8? Of course, 8 is 0. So we'll take just a point here. I'll type at right. 8 is on ground only. Point 8 is on the ground. On the generator. The generator is on the ground. So I will type a point there. Okay. P. P O point. Specify the point. So where is 8 is there? There I have to specify the point. Okay. It's touching this reference line. So this is that point. So here I'll keep a point. Please don't forget this point. Or should I draw the line here, one small line? So I'll draw the small line. Small line. Please. Okay. Not that one. Okay, I will draw a small line. Okay, this is point 8. Now where is point 9 now? Measure this point 9. How much is this? Where it is 2.4. So 2.4, where is 9? On this. This one, 9, this line. So 2.4, from here 2.4. 2.4. Okay. Now after 9, 10. We have to measure the 10 now. From here, this reference line. From 10 to reference line. 7.9. 7.9. This is 10. Center. 7.9. 7.9 meter. We got line like this. Yes, we got correct shape only. I thought that we won't get that. So from here to here, we have to join. Like we have joined 10 and 1 here, right? We have joined 10 and 1. You remember? So now SP line. SP line. I thought that we are going to get, but we got exact line very accurately. We got SP line. Enter. Specify the first point. I want to specify from here. Okay. From here. And next one is here. Now see here, it's showing the center line. Don't select this one. You have to select at the intersection point. You have to select at the intersection point. Don't select at the center point. So this is the line here. Please zoom it and select the center point. And here this will be this line. And here this one, and here it is this line. And this line should not cross this reference line, and it won't cross also. You should know that one. This line should not cross this axis reference line xy. And this is another one. Okay. Now zoom in, and this is one more point. Now just say enter. Enter. Not so much. See how we got very accurately. Nice, na? Now, one more thing I want to explain you. Now, see this one. So, this is that point at K. This is that point at K. We are not drawn. So, this should get. If someone asks why you got this point, I think you may be getting somewhere else in your course. This BE course. So, why you are not getting this? Why you got this one means should know that there is a tangent line at this point. If we draw the tangent, right? We are not taking the tangent point here. This will be the tangent, this last line. If you draw the tangent point, so here you can see, here also you can see. So here what we'll do, we'll just draw the, see here, this is the tangent point. So this is 0.5, this is the tangent point. If you want, I can show this one. We are not shown here another point, okay? But you should know that point. Is it clear now? So now join this line, straight line, because this is the base. This will be the straight line. Now, please, now this is the true shape of the section. True shape of the section. Now we have to give the hatch. Hatch. We'll select this one. Okay, now you will change the scale here. I think long back we are given as 18. What I remember here, I'll give here 18. 1, 8, enter. Okay, now I give the hatch here. See how neatly it is coming. Very neat. It says it is not closed, somewhere it is. Okay. Okay, don't bother about it. Now we got hatch. Okay, enter. Now we'll make this line thick line. We'll make this line as a thick line. We'll select this line, this SP line, and this straight line. Okay. Now this is the true shape of the section. So we got here. Here also we have to give the hatch here. This portion. This portion we have to give the hatch. So we'll give the hatch. Please zoom it. Each and every portion we have to give the hatch. Only this portion closed. And don't forget to this part also. If it is not coming, leave it. Don't bother the small portion if it is not coming. Within this section only, Somewhere it is not closed here. Because of this one also it is possible. Because of this lettering, so it may not select this hatch command. So leave it. Okay. White is not selected. So this is what can it be? Okay, leave it. Here it is not required. Okay, leave it. Now what about this side? Okay. So there might be gap between the boundary objects, or the boundary objects might be outside of the display area. Yes, maybe the outside of the display, so it is not taking. Okay, then leave it like that only, no problem. But you do it later on. So enter. Now here in the question, so now we completed this section of cone. What is it? This will be, now I'll give the text here. Single line. Now this is the true shape. What he is asked? Draw the sectional front view and the true shape of the section. This is the sectional front view. This is the sectional front view. So I'll write it here. Sectional front view. And this is the true shape of the section. This is true shape of the section. Here I will write. The true shape of the section. Okay, that's it. So here X, here Y. This one is X1, X1. This one is Y1. Now, so this is the whole figure we completed. So nothing is left. Okay. If you want, you can do a one or two problems on different sections, different position of a sections. Is it clear, all of you? Anybody is having any doubts? Clear? Yes, please. Yes, anybody is having doubt? Hello? Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me. You have any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Now, please, if you have any doubts, please note down the doubts. Tomorrow it will be mostly holiday. If we don't have holiday, then we will do in the lab. Okay, please note down all doubts at one place. Then next class in the lab, we can clarify those doubts. Yes. Shall we stop the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Already it's 1:30. Okay. I'm not looking at the time. Okay. Give your attendance now. All of you. Now. Roll number 61.
Present, ma'am.